All right, we got this really nice MOSUNY 5-in-1 stationary bike. As you can see, very portable, very storable. It folds up just like this. Now, you want to unfold it, you just pull this out and you drop it down. And you can, there's different settings. So this is one setting right here. So say you want to just ride it more in a seated, sort of upright position. This is going to be a good setting right here. This is going to be a good setting right here. And even with this setting, you can lean forward at any point to do that, but it's going to be even better if you come down here, you pull this out again, lower it all the way, clicks into place. And now here we can do a more relaxed vibe where you're holding on back here, or you can come up here, leaning forward in whatever position you want, sort of like a speed vibe. You've also got these arm things right here to provide resistance for arm training that you can do whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do here. So that's amazing. Say you want to change the resistance right here. 16 different resistance settings. I have it at a 10 right now. You want to go lower, just turn it to the left. Got all the way to 1. As you can see, it's very light on the resistance right here. Or you can go up to 16 and it gets very heavy. You see, it's hard. So nice vibe. Got the control panel right here that lets you know your speed and all that stuff. You've also got this leg vibe right here for both sides. It's hooked into one side. You can also hook to the other side. I'm going to do this side. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to come right here and I am going to wrap it around my leg. And now hold on to the back here. You got a leg workout like that. So this thing is very high quality. Oh, it even has this spot right here to put your phone when you want to watch YouTube videos. This is an amazing exercise bike. I'm out of breath right now. Highly recommend.